Hey everybody, Mr. Skolblicki here, and I'm going to show you really quickly how you can present when you're in a Google Meet. So along the bottom bar here, this white bar where you can mute and leave the meeting, turn off your camera, all the way to the right is a Present Now button. You open that up, you have some choices of what you want to present. Suggest that if you're a student, you're going to present your entire screen so that if you need some help from your teacher, they can see everything that's happening on your screen. So click your entire screen, and then you'll have to select your screen here up at the top. And once it has a box around it in blue here, you know you've selected that. And then you can click share. It takes a minute for it to load. It'll say that you are presenting your screen. And then on the other side, everybody else who's watching will be able to see what's on your screen.